Topic for today: how to create laser shows for many lasers. So I have prepared this setup with 8 lasers, and as you can see, 2 of them are in a green rectangle. It means they are connected and displaying the effects on my 2 lasers I use here. And to be honest, I'm not a big fan of ballet, but if they would use laser shows, maybe. Okay, so by default, all the effects do the same thing for every laser. That's the default behavior for Moncha. Every time you click some scene, its content is displayed for every laser the same. And the question you might want to ask, and if you don't ask it, I will ask it myself, is how to create cues or scenes which use different picture or different animation for every laser. Okay, so I will replace this first scene, and the magic happens once you select this create multi-laser scene. It will ask you to replace the existing one, and this is where you can create laser shows for many lasers. And it's quite simple at the beginning. So I will select the first laser and I select this cue or this scene to be displayed. And I can see it's already running on the laser. I can select the second laser and I can choose something else to be displayed on this second laser. See? Quite easy. And what I can do, maybe I could select the third one and again click the Z to be the same as the first one. But what you can do, you can right click, let's say the second laser, use copy and paste and paste and paste. And there is also a quick way, you just drag and drop and choose copy. See, I have 2 different animations for every odd and even laser. Quite simple. What's also great, you can see the preview of the multi-laser scene in your bank. Quite practical. And let's replace another scene. Yes. And what I want to show you is that you can actually create the scene for every laser here from scratch. You just select the right click, choose create, and by default you create the tree effect. What I can do, I can create, let's say, some line. Yeah, it's already displayed on the laser. And I don't know, we can make it rotating. See? I have the line rotating. Press OK. And what I can do, I can quickly copy all the cue into all of the lasers. But this is boring. What's nice about this multi-laser scene, that you can set the offset in time. So I can select the start time for every laser separately. Zero 0.4, 5, 6 and 7. And as you can see, every laser is slightly moved in time. There is a different offset. And I can imagine this scene would look amazing in the air when you would create laser show for 8 lasers. Also not that complicated and very nice cue, very nice scene. And once you finish the creation of the scene, you will probably want to use them in show. So let's try it out. First of all, you can select the synchronizer. We will use audio. And here you can set the synchronizer settings, where you can browse for the audio file. And I have one here already prepared. Once you press OK, you can even see the waveform in the background. And to create a show is quite easy, even using these multi-laser scenes. You just drag and drop the scene into the timeline, and you can already hear the music. And I can select the second scene, again drag and drop it into the timeline, and now we can play the show. So that's quite easy. What's interesting about it, that this event in a show defines a different picture for every laser. So it's a little bit different way of thinking how to create laser shows. Every scene does something else for multiple lasers. And as usual, I have prepared a short show for you. So let's play it. That's how we roll in Shire. Till next time.